Hi, I'm Lisa Garber, Program Manager for the Population and Health Sciences Online MPH program at the University of Michigan School of Public Health. During this short video, I'm going to show you what your experience will be as an online master's student at Michigan Public Health. We'll break down how our program works in 3 steps. First, I'll show you the online platform and the tools you'll use. Second, I'll explain the timing of the program and how classes work. Finally, I'll fill you in on the people who will support you through every step of your education. Our program is completely online, which means you truly can earn your degree from wherever you are. You'll watch recorded lectures with our faculty, plus participate in weekly class sessions through video conferencing. You'll also have readings and assignments. The Coursera platform is like your classroom. When you log in, you'll be able to see all course requirements, materials, and deadlines. You'll have all the information you need to easily plan around your schedule. But you're not in this alone. You'll use Coursera discussion forums to discuss lessons with classmates and faculty, chat and manage projects on Slack, and meet with me, your advisor. We use Zoom video conferencing so you can have FaceTime with us. Let's spend a moment now going through the class schedule. You'll take accelerated courses that last 4 to 6 weeks. To help you manage, you'll only take 1 or 2 courses at a time. This lets you dive deeply into one concept, master it, and move on. You just need to plan your week, log into the scheduled class time, and meet set deadlines to stay on track. Once you have some of the core curriculum under your belt, you can decide how you want to specialize. You'll choose from our variety of elective tracks that address the field's most pressing topics. You'll be learning concepts in class that you can apply immediately to your daily work. You'll also have a chance to synthesize and apply your knowledge before you graduate. During year 2, you'll work on a project with an organization in the field to tackle one of their real challenges. We call this an applied practice experience, and you'll leave with real work samples for your portfolio. You'll finish out your studies with a capstone writing project that brings it all together. We've built a program for you that is interactive, engaging, and supported by real people to give you the full learning experience of a Michigan student. You will be taught and mentored by the same innovative faculty that teach in our residential programs. You and your classmates will become part of our community through the variety of touch points we've built in. Real people here at Michigan will know you and your story. We are here to help you, here to encourage you, and here to make sure you're successful on your academic journey. If we sound like the right fit for you, be sure to check out our website to learn more about the program and find out how to apply. We hope to see you soon. Go Blue!